Alright guys, I got another good project coming today. Told you it was coming. Today it's going to get put out there. It's the pallet deck furniture that I've been building. So here's what our video came out to be. Alright, so you came back, so I'm glad you did, or you stayed with us, either way, whichever. So some of this footage that I'm putting out for the deck furniture, the deck pallet furniture that I built. So some of it didn't come out as good as I wanted it to, so I had to do some B-roll. But I think it came out real well. It's going to definitely be usable. We're having a party at the end of the month, so it's coming out in a perfect timing. So watch for my process as it goes. Here we have the deck that I built, and the pallets are under the tarp. I started laying out the pallets for the desired locations, checking placement for the sides and backs of seating. After verification of backrests, I could start laying the pallets in place. Once in place, started screwing them into the deck and into each other for more strength support. I started with 4 pallets high, but realized I would only need them to be 3 high, and it worked out better for me to make even more furniture on the other side. Started measuring and cutting plywood for the backs of the seats. When I started cutting the plywood, I realized some of them had some cool markings and designs on them, so I was trying to make sure I got some of those good pieces into the furniture itself. Here's my workspace in view from the picnic table. To connect the seating, I had to use some deconstructed pallet boards. One side done, and now to connect the other side to make a long couch area. I did happen to notice that the middle pallets were smaller in some sections than the other pallets, and I had a slight slope on that end. In the future, my OCD may kick in and I'll fix it with a shim, but for now I made it work. Not looking too bad. I placed the plywood pieces on top for the extra seating area or possible small tables. I started placing more pallets for the backs of the middle seating area. I was still trying to find some cool designs in the plywood for a better look. There are definitely some cool designs in this plywood. This is basically the full couch area with more touch-ups to come. Now to start working on the other side, which is pretty much the same process. With the actual seating pretty much done, I had to lay the rest of the decking in place to finish off the deck. Alright, so I do have the cushions set up for how we're going to place them. Thought about it, and we are going to put 2 little side tables on there as well, and a cushion in the middle. So that's what I'm about to start doing. Okay, so I put the 2 little tables in for the side. They're not in place because if you want to not have them there, they can just easily come down. Your footrest. Put them there so people could either have just a place to put their drinks, or if they want to have a plate of food and they don't have anywhere else to sit besides the picnic table, they could just put a plate on there. It works for that as well. So it's coming along really nice. We're in the process of making the other cushion that goes in the center, and this thing will be done.
All right, well, this project was a lot of work. The deck came out real nice. The furniture came out real nice. Still some fine tuning to do, and we're gonna still do maybe some sanding and some staining after this. But the actual build part is done, so I'm glad that's over. If you like the video, make sure you hit that like button and hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get all the videos when they come out. Leave me a comment if you'd like, and share it with your friends and family, please. All right, that's going to be it for this one, though. Appreciate your support. Until next time, peace.